Today, I'm going to teach you how to get immediate notifications for new jobs in Upwork. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and go to upwork.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account with your credentials. This will give you access to all the notification settings where you can control how and when Upwork alerts you about new job postings and opportunities. After logging in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Upwork profile and how the platform communicates with you. Once you're in the Account Settings area, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You'll see several menu options listed there. Click on Notification Settings to access the Notification Control panel. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all the ways Upwork sends you updates, whether it's through email, desktop, or mobile notifications. Now, navigate to the desktop section. Here you'll find options for controlling how notifications appear on your computer. Locate the drop-down menu below, Show Notifications For, and select All Activity from the available options. This ensures that you'll receive desktop notifications for everything happening in your account, including new job postings that match your skills and interests. Next, still within the desktop section, locate the drop-down menu below Increment Message Counter For and select All Activity. This setting makes sure that your notification counter updates for every activity so you won't miss any important updates or new job alerts. If you're using Upwork on your mobile device, you'll want to configure those settings as well. Navigate to the mobile section within the notification settings. Here you'll control how notifications appear on your phone or tablet, ensuring you stay updated even when you're on the go. In the mobile section, locate the drop-down menu below Show Notifications For and select All Activity. This enables push notifications on your mobile device for all account activity, which means you'll instantly know when a new job that fits your profile gets posted. Finally, locate the drop-down menu below Increment Message Counter For and select All Activity. This keeps your mobile notification counter accurate and updated so you can see at a glance how many new notifications you have waiting without even opening the app. And that's it. You've successfully configured Upwork to send you immediate notifications for new jobs and all other activity on both desktop and mobile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.